Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to change or adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu, and to open it press and hold the up button. After the menu opens you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the start/stop button to enter. Now scroll down by pressing the down button, select the backlight option and press the start button to enter. And here we have two options, during activity and not during activity. During activity is basically when you're tracking activity or recording activity on your watch, like running, cycling and stuff like that. And not during activity is basically everything else, when you're not recording the activity. Let's select during activity first, press start button. Now scroll down, find the option called brightness and press start to enter. And here we have option to increase or decrease the brightness during activity. So select the percentage you like and press the start button to confirm. Then press it again like this. And once you're done you can press the back button. Now let's scroll down, select not during activity, scroll down, select brightness, press start, adjust the brightness, press start to confirm and press it again. Okay, and once you're done you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.